One kasabihan. Tapos, kasabihan. Ganito. Papakilala nyo, kunyari. Papakilala kayo. Tapos, Hindi. Bili.
Wait lang. Ano ulit? Okay. So, manager. Basta.
Magpapasalamat kayo sa gown nyo.
And my sponsor, Bench. Thank you. I believe in saying that kapag may usok, may. I don't know. Thank you. Oh my God. It's not a question. It's just a...
Warm-up question. Warm-up.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Sino putik na 40? Sino nag-text?
Conversation. Ulitin nyo kasi... Ayan na nagbibidyo siya eh. Ulitin nyo, pre. O yung questions, Merlene.
Merlene! Ano ka na lang magbibigay ng question?
Uy, Charmaine, nasan yung question? Ay, hindi! Oh my God, I will walk out. Okay, talent portion muna. Yeah, so cute.
Talent portion!
I thought I would have this competition is so cute. This is so... You kept us waiting.
No! Kung kayo kay Sir Kabang.
Hi, my name is Eloisa.
This is so
That's the question.
Okay, let's question.
All my weeks are digitally.
Okay, question and answer portion. Contestant number 1. Elisa Burnay, Wamas, Lisa Run.
Yeah, is it true?
No, it's me.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Question is, what is beauty for you?
Beauty is beauty.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Contestant number
Sense.
Elisa. Evelyn Peacock. Oh, para siya.
Peacock. Peacock.
Okay.
Nice, hold the mic and...
Why do you want to win? Why do you want to win?
Because I want to win the title Miss Research because
I want to have extra.
you know
What?
Sir Kebab is like my inspiration and like oh my God, thank you. Ajos, can you follow me?
Contestant number 3. Jennifer Season. Hold the mic.
Okay, what's the question?
What is beauty and why?
Because it's in your phone right now and talking with
The mic.
and that's all. Thank you.
Contestant
What a
number
nonsense!
1. Hey, the mic. If you will become Miss Research, what will you do?
Oh, thank you for a wonderful question from a wonderful girl like you. If I will win this competition,
You will buy a new hat.
where's my shoe? I will join more competition to win more.
Thank you for a good Thank you for... Okay, let's go to talent portion. Contestant number 1. Lisa Burnay. Talent portion.
Oh yeah.
And that's the contestant. Here's the contestant number 2. Evelyn Peacock.
Hi. What is it?
What's your talent?
My talent is dancing.
Okay, you dance.
I wanna dance.
Medyo Flores.
Thank you.
Dancing. Contestant number 3. Jennifer Season. What's your talent? What's your talent? What's your talent?
I'm just gonna sing.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I wanna dance now with
Contestant number 1, Jenny Familia Fuerte. Okay, wait. Round first round.
Rampa!
Turn around.
Pose and a pose.
Pose number 1.
Pose tayo.
Up to 3, ah.
Pose
number 1. Pose number 1. 3. It's moving. 1, 2, 3, smile. Contestant number 2, Emeline Pasadas. No, I'm Roxy. No, wala mo. Kabet. Emeline Chua. Emeline Chua.
Just call me Charlemagne Hill.
Kabigon! The Big Box Princess! Pose number 1. Pose number 2. Animalistic, oh. Pose number 2. Animal cubes. Number 3.
Yung ilong.
Sexy. Wacky sexy. Contestant number 3, Jennifer. Jennifer Tulan. Jennifer Gimo. Post number 1. Post number 1. 2. Number 2. Number 3.
4. Wala na.
Contestant number 4, Charlemagne Hill.
Go Superman!
Superman.
Pose number 1. 2. 3. Okay, go out. Announcement of winners. Voting.
We will judge the first and the... Please, all of the judges. Please vote for me.